Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing and healthy celery stew. 1 kilo and 200 gram of lamb meat, 2 onion, 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, but I'm sure you're going to need more, but just for the beginning put this much, and then if you needed more salt just add a little bit more. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, about 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, and this one are dry lemon. They really taste different and smell so nice in the stew. If you couldn't find it, that's okay, but if you can, use it. I love them so much. This much, about whole bunch of fresh mint, and I'm using the whole celery, even the leaves, but not this one. These are looks old, but I'm gonna use the young one, which is in the middle. That's all for you making your stew, so let's get started. First you need to fry your meat in the pan with coconut oil on high heat and add the turmeric at this time, So until my mince get ready, I'm going to chop my vegetables. First I'm going to chop my onions, and then celery, and then my mince. Chop the onion to this size, just like this small size. That should be nice. And chop the celery to this size. I chopped the whole bunch of it. Now I'm going to chop this young leaf that I sprited, and then I'm going to wash my celery and my mince. There's meat. It's ready to put water and vinegar and onion in it. I don't have time, so I use pressure cook, but if you use the normal pot, you just need to wait for about 1 hour or 1.5, just taste the meat as much as you see it's cooked and soft. And one more thing, make sure that you pour hot boiling water. Just this much water should be enough, but if you use normal pot, just add a little bit more until it cover all the meat. And then that's all, but don't forget your apple cider vinegar, and don't put salt because we're going to add it at the end when it's ready. When the time that we're going to add our celery and mince, that time we're going to add our salt as well. So my mince are cooked, my meat is cooked really good, and the taste of the stock is so nice. Now it's time to add my celery and mint, but before I add them in the pot, I usually like to steam it in a pan for about 1 or 2 minutes until they get little bit soft but still crunchy in there. So I'm going to do this first, and then I'm going to add my dry lemon, just like you see. First I'm going to make a small hole with the fork or knife, and then I'm going to add in the pot. Put the lid on for about 1 or 2 minutes. That's all we need. But if you don't have this dry lemon, just squeeze about 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm going to put the lid on, and I put the heat on low. I'm waiting for about half an hour until it's cooked really slowly. So that's all. See you next time.